Solomon, which is a book of the Old Testament, chapter 5, verse 2, which says this: I slept, but my heart awoke. I slept, but my heart was awake. Listen, my lover is knocking. You know, often in marriage, you hear people talk about marriage, you hear people talk about relationships, and one of the things they say, well, if you're best friends, then obviously the relationship is going to last. And so I just want to share three vital ingredients, I believe, in marriage. And I've been married 24 years myself now, with a few children. Anybody else here that has been married for any period of time knows that these ingredients that I'm about to share are vital to a lasting relationship. I do believe that friendship is one of the vital elements. I mean, you have to be friends, don't you? And these two have got an amazing friendship. I believe the relationship is built upon that friendship that's developed over the time that they've been together. And friendship, being friends, liking spending time with the other person, is a vital ingredient to any lasting marriage, any lasting relationship. Friendship is vital. It was Aristotle that once said, without friends, no one would choose to live, though he had all other goods. And another ancient philosopher by the name of Paul McCartney said, I get by with a little help from my friends. And so friendship is vital, and you're continuing your friendship, continuing to develop that friendship is going to be an important part of the lasting of this marriage and this relationship and this commitment that you're making today. So I encourage you to remain good friends. Otherwise, you know, marriage can be a lonely place if you're not friends.